Your lungs will be good as new in just 7 days. With this natural drink with these ingredients, you can create one of the most powerful drink to cleanse your lungs in just 7 days. Start by cutting a fresh lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which supports immune health and helps clear toxins from your body, including your lungs. Now, squeeze the juice. It's not only refreshing, but also helps fight inflammation in the lungs and aids in detoxification. Don't throw away the peel. It contains more antioxidants than the flesh, helping to fight free radicals and support lung health. Put these into a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee's antioxidants promote detox and help open your airways. Next, add 2 cloves. These tiny spices are anti-inflammatory and help reduce lung congestion. Finally, pour in 500 milliliters of water and let cook on a medium heat for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture to remove the solids. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Your lungs detox drink is ready. Drink this warm in the morning for 7 days to help clear toxins, improve your breathing, and support overall lung health. Rate this video between 1 to 10 in the comment.